Rise and grind, man. Back at you with another video with the pull-up king. This video we got a 2014 Nissan Altima. We're doing front end repairs on it. We're doing front CV axles, both sides, and we got an AC condenser we're gonna do. I'm gonna split the video up though. Give you these CV axles right now. Passenger side. Get up in here. She's been feeling a lot of play, like some noise, like knocking. That's what that is. So we're replacing this thing, man. It gotta be replaced in pairs. Never replace just one side. Let's get it. All right, we wanna get this cotter pin out. Just hit that through. Get that out of there and then take off this cap so we can get to this axle nut. Alright, once we got that off, I'm gonna go ahead and take these bolts out. Holding that shock on there. Might have to take off the outer tie rod. Possibly remove this brake line so we can swing this guy on forward. Those are 21 mil nuts holding that. I'm gonna tap that out. You wanna hold this side because it's gonna spin when you try to take this one off. Pull it out. Gotta punch those through. You just pull that. You gotta pry that up out of there. Push that through. Don't forget the ABS wire. You don't want to snatch it out. And we should be able to push this. There we go. Just like that. So now we're gonna get up under here and tap that out with a pry bar. Go ahead and put a catch pan up under there. Might leak transmission fluid. Knocked it out. See that fluid coming out. Alright, we in there on the driver's side. And I want to notate when you push these into the transmission, please make sure it's all the way in and it's seated properly, because if you don't, they will pop out. And what will happen is the transmission will feel like it's slipping. But really, in all actuality, it's not engaging. So keep that in mind. Tap it in. Make sure it's flush and locked in. And we're going in reverse order. Got the bolts in. Go ahead and put everything back together. I don't know what kind of bolt that is, but definitely not covering. I'm not going to use that. I'm going to put the old one back on there. Yeah, see, I'll work with that. All right, so passenger side, pretty much the same procedure until you get to this end right here. You got to take out these bolts that's holding that bracket in, so we can get back and knock that free. It'll come out once that bracket is removed. We got it out. Now we're gonna hit these bolts right here. Should be two of them. 1 and 2. Hit that bracket off. That's that plate. And now that can move. Alright, we got it in. Put it in position. Now we're gonna put that bracket on, bolt it down. You want to put some bearing grease, all-purpose grease you can put right here so it won't seize up. See, we got some right here. That'll keep it lubed so it don't rust up and seize. Alright, that's it, man. Alright, so if you're interested in condenser replacement, you can hit the link in the description and check that out. Until next time, pull up, King.